Hey guys, what's up? It's Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel, but welcome back to my bathroom. Today we are going to be reviewing skincare again. We are going to be reviewing the Ordinary skincare. We are going to be talking about the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA, which is a hydration formula, which includes hyaluronic acid. And then we are also going to be reviewing the Ordinary Vitamin C. This is vitamin C suspension 23% plus HA spheres 2%, which is hyaluronic acid. We're going to be doing a week-long test of these products to see how well they perform and if they fit well for my skin, if they're hydrating, if they make any difference, and we're just gonna see how good they really are. So if you're interested in seeing me review these products all week long, then just keep on watching. So we have the moisturizer and the vitamin C. We are going to be testing this all week long. I currently have makeup on and I'm going to be washing my face and then applying these after I'm done with my skincare. I did some research on them to see how exactly you're supposed to use them. This one is the vitamin C. It says to use this mainly at nighttime, so I'm only going to use this at night, but I will use this in the morning and at night. I'm really excited because I've really never used anything that has hyaluronic acid in it. On the box, it says that this visibly targets uneven tone and signs of aging, which is like dark spots. Honestly, these weren't even that expensive either. I'm pretty sure that this was only like $8 and this one was only $6. In the vitamin C, you get 30 milliliters, which is 1 fluid ounce. For $6, that's totally not bad. The moisturizer is 3.3 fluid ounces, which is 100 milliliters, and that's not bad either. This is pretty like a thick bottle, and this one is, look at the size difference. I really love the packaging too. Like, it's super like chic and it's like super soft, I guess. I'm going to wash my face, take this makeup off, and do my skincare, and then we will get into that. So I will be right back. So I'm back and my face is all washed. I'm ready to moisturize and put the serum on. But I just want to do a first overall what my skin looks like for the first day. These spots are still kind of dark. I have an active pimple right there. I still have spots on my forehead, on my chin area. The vitamin C says that it targets uneven tone and signs of aging, so hopefully that will help like the dark spots. Honestly, if you guys watched my last skincare video, or actually my first one, where I used the Neutrogena Naturals, I said that I really like this, and I do like it, but it just doesn't moisturize my face as much as I want it to. So I'm really hoping that this one will give me a really good, intense moisture. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Ordinary moisturizer. Oh, there's a little seal on it. How cool. I'm not really sure how much of this to use, so I'm only going to use a pea-size amount first, and then if I need more, I'll apply more. Okay, so smell test. It doesn't really have a smell. Kind of just smells like regular lotion. Honestly, it kind of has like a scent of like alcohol to it, like isopropyl salt alcohol, like stuff I use to clean my brushes with. I'm definitely gonna need a little bit more than that. I wonder if there is alcohol in this. There's cetyl, I can't pronounce this, but it's CETYL alcohol. There is a lot of alcohol in this. I don't know if it's good alcohol or not. I'm gonna have to look those up and see if they're like good for the skin, because I know that alcohol's not a great ingredient. I need a little bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more. And what makes no sense is that the directions say after serums, but on the website it says to use the serums after water-based products, and this is a water base. So I'm just gonna use this and then the serum. It's kind of like a sticky moisturizer too. My fingers are sticking to my skin as I'm like trying to rub this in. It's not like gliding on, but it is soaking into the skin very nice. It's a very thick consistency. Honestly, first impressions, I'm not that impressed, and my face doesn't feel like superly intense moisturized. Okay, so this just says to use a small amount, so I'm gonna go in with like that much. I'm going to mostly rub it in like here and on my forehead. Whoa, that's a little weird. This is really odd. It has like a scrubbing feeling to it. It says that there's hyaluronic spheres, but like, this is really weird. It kind of feels like an exfoliator. A little bit really did go a long way. Oh, this smells really gross. Kind of smells like, oh, I don't even know. Kind of smells like a plastic. I don't know if I like this. It feels really greasy too. Yeah, I really don't know if I like this all that much. My face feels like a grease ball now. I mean, I don't know. Maybe this has like some type of magic in it to make my skin beautiful. Honestly, I'm not that impressed so far. Like, the moisturizer really didn't moisturize all that great. And now the vitamin C kind of just makes my face feel greasy. And it doesn't smell good. And it feels like an exfoliator. I don't know, guys. We'll have to see how this is. I really hope that it's good. I'm going to do a check-in in like the middle of the week and then about the last day of the week for this video. Hopefully we will see a difference in the skin tone and all of my dark spots, but I will see you guys in a couple days. Okay guys, so this is a day 3 of me using the Ordinary skincare, both the moisturizer and the vitamin C. I just washed my face and I haven't applied this yet, so I just wanted to show you like my face before I applied the moisturizer. I'm only using the vitamin C at night and I think I like it so far. I think I like them both so far. My first impressions definitely were like not good, but the more I use them, the better they're getting for me, I guess. I guess you just have to find like a way that works, especially for the vitamin C. Here is my face. I don't know if I've really seen a difference. Maybe a little bit in this area here, but I don't know. I can't really tell all that much yet. It's only been 3 days. I've watched a couple reviews. I wasn't going to, but I wanted to because the other night when I was using this, I was rubbing it in and it started to like pill up on my face. So I wanted to see how other people were using it. And a lot of people are just like patting it into their skin. So I tried that and it worked pretty good. And I think they both hydrate my face very, very nice and very well. That's day 3 and I will be back in a couple days. Hey guys, so this is the last day of the week for the video of me using the Ordinary skincare. So this is like the last day of the skin test and I'm wearing makeup right now. I'm gonna wash it off and use this for one last time for the video. But I will say that I will continue to use these and possibly continue to purchase them. For the price point, you really can't beat them. Honestly, my first impressions of the moisturizer really weren't that great, but I really, really love it. I love that it just soaks right into the skin. It makes my face feel so hydrated. And in the beginning of the video, I said that it smelled like alcohol. There is different kinds of alcohol in here. There's cetyl alcohol and stearyl alcohol and cetyl alcohol. I probably said those all wrong. I googled them and they're just fatty acids, like they're fatty alcohols and they're just to like hold the product together, I guess. They're really not that bad. I've googled a couple of the other ingredients in here and some of them said that it could be clog pouring, so I would just be careful for that, but they're all the way at the bottom of the ingredient list, so there's a very low chance of it clogging pores. And then for the vitamin C, I didn't like this at first because it made my face feel really greasy, but I found that a little bit of it really does go a long way. I probably just used way too much for the first time. And it says that you can experience some tingling. I didn't really feel any. Yesterday I felt a little bit, but I really don't see that it irritates my skin at all. And I really think that this helps moisturize even further than just the moisturizer by itself. I will do an up close for my skin in a minute after I wash my face, which I'm gonna go do right now. Okay, so I'm back with no makeup on and a clean face. I haven't put the moisturizer or the vitamin C on yet. Sorry about the lighting in here, it's really awful, but here is the up close of my face. It's kind of red right now. So I think on camera it looks so much worse right here, but in person it doesn't look that bad. And my face doesn't even look that red in person. I don't know why it's coming off on camera like that. I don't see a big difference with this, but I see a difference in my chin area and my forehead still looks the same. I haven't really noticed that much of a difference yet, but it's only been a week. The reviews of this that I have watched said that it takes quite some time for it to show like a difference. I'm just going to keep going with using both the moisturizer and the vitamin C until I decide to do another skincare video, or unless I get sick of these. I really do enjoy them. I think that this moisturizer feels so great. I don't know why I had such trouble the first time using it. It's really not that thick. Like, it is a thicker moisturizer. It's not hard to put on, and I don't know, I just really enjoy it. I would definitely recommend the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors and HA. It's definitely worth the $8 that it is, because, you know, moisturizers are so expensive nowadays. Like, my Neutrogena one, like this one, was $15.99. Was it worth $15.99? Absolutely not. It was maybe worth $10 or less. Then with the vitamin C, at first I didn't like it because it kind of smelled really bad. It didn't feel great. It was greasy. I found that if you just like pat it onto the skin and use just the teeniest bit, well, not the teeniest bit, but you don't really need a lot at all, you can really get it to soak right into the skin. It doesn't really leave you greasy, but it does leave a film, but I think that's expected with vitamin C's or any kind of serum. Over time, it does soak in, and like the shininess that it leaves on the face doesn't really stay. So would I recommend the vitamin C? Absolutely. I have no issues with it. I like it, and I think it's doing something for my skin. It's definitely moisturizing it and giving it like an extra boost of moisture added onto the moisturizer. For $6 or $7 that this was, you really can't beat that. Is there a better vitamin C serum out there? Probably. I don't know. I haven't tried any other one besides this, so I can't really compare it to anything. I'm just giving you my thoughts of what it's done for me and what I think of just this. I've definitely enjoyed using both of these products all week long, and I'm going to continue to do so. Okay guys, so that is it for the week-long test of the Ordinary Skincare. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something from it, and I hope that maybe you'll go and try that if you're looking for a new moisturizer or the vitamin C, or if you've never even heard of vitamin C before. I was honestly introduced to like vitamin C and serums just recently. I've never really used serums before, but I really enjoyed that, and I really enjoyed the moisturizer. So if you guys did enjoy this video, or even just learn something from it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up down below. If you like the skincare videos, let me know. I can definitely try to do more, maybe like once a month. I don't want to like upset my skin too much by trying too many different things. Leave me a comment, let me know if that's something you want to see from me. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Consider watching a couple of my other videos. If you haven't checked out my last skincare video, definitely do that. You might learn something that you don't know. And until next time, guys, bye!